Alright, I'm gonna make this a quick video, not only so you can listen to what I say, think about it in your mind, try to implement it, and actually just leave this video, but because I only have 4 minutes to film this video because I ran out of storage once again. So yeah, what I want to say is you already know what you should be doing. You already know because you've been consuming a lot. When was the last time you actually just went outside on a walk? When was the last time you just sat in a field like this, looking at the sky, appreciating nature? When was the last time you went outside? When was the last time you never went on your phone? When was the last time you spent a whole day not on your phone? I feel like deep down, you really know what you should be doing. You know what your fears are. You know what you could improve on. I feel like you really know what you should be doing. And I don't know about you, but for me, I knew what I should be doing for so long. I knew I should be going out in public and trying to talk to people and do things in my life, but I haven't been doing that. Instead of that, I was just watching videos on how to be more social, watching videos, just coping with the fact that I didn't actually do that in my real life, escaping from reality. So I just don't want that to happen to you. I don't want you to live a life where you know what you should be doing, you know what you are afraid of, and you know where you should go out your comfort zone a bit. I want you to get better, and I want you to actually change, because I would say I'm doing that right now. I'm out here alone in a park, just sitting here chilling, honestly. I'm just chilling, and I knew I should have done this. I knew I should have done this way earlier, but I'm glad I'm doing it now. I'm glad I'm just sitting here and talking to you about this problem that so many people deal with but never accomplish in their life. But I know you can actually do it. So make this the last video you watch and actually do something. Alright? Like, it doesn't have to be some crazy thing. You don't have to like cold approach 500 women or something, but go out your comfort zone a little bit. You probably know what you could be doing. You probably, whatever you want to do, and like you get some kind of fear, you get kind of like, oh, but what if this, what, do it. Do it when you get that feeling, when you get that gut feeling, when you get that urge, like, oh, I don't want to do this. Do it. That's the perfect sign that, and I promise you, bro, as soon as you do that thing, you're just going to feel like a weight just got lifted off your shoulder, off your chest. You're going to feel like you improved a lot more. And you're going to feel just so much improvement instantly. If you feel like you haven't been seeing that much progress, so that's why you're consuming so much, that's why you're doing so many things, just do the thing that you're afraid of. Do the thing that you kind of are uncomfortable with doing, and do it. And then you'll feel like you did so much progress in that one day. You'll feel like your days are worth living, and you'll feel like your life is just amazing. You'll have a reason to wake up. You'll see so much progress in your life, and you'll actually do the things you know you should be doing, and you'll get the results that you want. So I'm running out of time. I'll catch you later. Make this the last. I was gonna say I have 10 seconds left. Make this the last video you watch. Stop consuming. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to click and watch this video. Just stop consuming and